how to add money to your ENEBA wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your account at eneba.com. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top corner. From the drop-down, select Balance. Here, you'll see your current wallet balance displayed. To add funds, click the Add Funds button. You'll now see a list of gift card options available for purchase. Choose the amount you want by selecting a gift card, for example, 10 euros or 20 euros, and click on it. Next, complete the checkout using one of ENEBA's trusted payment methods. Once the payment is confirmed, the gift card amount will be automatically added to your ENEBA wallet. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add money to your ENEBA wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.